Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Mico app. So let's get started. Go ahead and open Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, type in Mico and perform your search. Tap on the Mico application. To uninstall Mico app, select the uninstall button. If you are sure, tap on uninstall once again. And this is how you can uninstall Mico app. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.